My name is Casey Bosak. I am a nuclear machinist mate in the United States Navy. You have both aspects of a hard job. You have the physical aspect and you have the mental aspect. There's a lot of things that I can't do physically that I have to get help for, and I'm not too proud to say that I can't do a lot of stuff, but I'm also willing to try to do everything. And I think that the Navy strives to advance people with what they're good at and help them with areas that they're not. We all know that we're the reason why the ship moves through the water. We're the reason why the ship has electricity. We're the reason why that they can shower, why they take hot showers, why they're drinking water, because we're the reason for effectively everything except for pushing the button to launch planes. I think the Navy absolutely promotes an environment for education. Just the schooling that we went through alone is enough to get a decent job in the civilian world. But on top of that, they have tuition assistance programs that they advertise all the time, and we have State 21 programs that are willing to pay for you to go back to school and get your degrees and become officers. I would recommend the Navy to anybody who needed a job and didn't have direction as to where they wanted to take their career. The Navy is a great place to start as far as getting experience.